Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites, verification and at least 100 subscribers, because YouTube requires both. Once done, sign in and go to YouTube Studio. Next, open Settings, choose Channel, and then Advanced Settings to surface the custom URL option. Make sure your channel name and profile image match the brand you want, since YouTube will suggest URLs based on those assets. If a verified option appears, you're ready for the first actionable selection step. Do that now. Once you see suggested custom URLs, evaluate each one for clarity and searchability. Pick the shortest, memorable option that represents your brand. When you select it, tick the confirmation box to accept YouTube's terms, then click Claim. This action seals the URL immediately, so be deliberate. If YouTube allows minor edits to the end segment, adjust to remove digits or hyphens for readability. But understand you cannot change the URL at will later, so choose wisely before finalizing. After claiming, test the custom URL on desktop and mobile to confirm it resolves to your channel, because propagation can take minutes. If you don't see the option initially, recheck verification, subscriber threshold, and that you haven't recently changed channel name. These conditions block the feature. If the URL is already claimed or contains errors, contact YouTube support or file an appeal through creator support. This step helps resolve ownership conflicts or accidental claims. Act quickly to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.